Hey y'all, welcome to the Joy of Yoga. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do Flying Banana Man. This is a really great pose to work the core, back, and arm strength. A lot of people might have trouble getting into this position just because they don't have the full understanding of the anatomy of how to hold it or how to get into it, but it's a lot easier than some people might think. First, we'll go ahead and get into our hammock like I showed before. Taking the fabric apart, nice little hop, making sure that the fabric sits just beneath the buttocks cheeks. Then we're gonna grab nice and low, pushing the fabric down by our hips, rocking back, straddle wide. Take that fabric, the handles out of your way, feet come forward and wrap behind. And then you can release. So here we're hanging nice and easy. But then if we want to go up into that banana man position, we'll grab our lower straps, making sure that the fabric is on the outside of the elbows, so you don't want it on the inside here. Fabric is on the outside of the elbows. We're going to pull the elbows in towards our sides so our hands come right underneath our shoulders. Then we're going to inhale here, exhale. I'm going to push my arms forward in front of me, so as if I'm holding upward dog or sphinx pose or cobra pose. Then here, if you're comfortable, you can let the legs come out and open, and really tucking and bringing that belly up and in, or really letting this become a back bend. And then nice and slow with control, always make sure that those feet are retucked, and then exhale, pressing down to release. If that feels good and you feel strong and confident there, you can actually press up and then start to do some push-ups to start to build strength in your upper body and core. So again, I'm going to retuck, nice and slow with control, lower down and release. Legs come halfway down as I reach up and slowly bring my torso up. Wonderful. Please let me know if that worked for you, or if you have any questions, comments, or requests in the comment section below. Happy hanging.